Well, good evening, everyone, and thanks for being with us on the ALL4PACK show. And you may be watching on your screens. This is the latest trends. We're going to spend 10 minutes to discuss innovation. Now, we had 2016 Innovation Awards. 42 were shortlisted. You can see them in Hall 7. And we have 9 winners. 2 of them with us. First, Myriam Bozeto, you're in charge of communications with CGL PACK. And we have Gary Griffin from IMH. Now, congratulations, both of you. Now, we'll begin with you, madam. You created a single material clear seal food tray. Now, the benefit of this simple tray you see, and this is something we want to explain because it might not be clear if you haven't seen this. This was based on PET, and there are 3 special features. First, it's made with ground up water bottles. Second, it's perfectly sealable. The lid film above it is perfectly sealable, even on a single material tray. And third, because it's a single material, there are no other materials combined, it is fully recyclable. Therefore, the environmental footprint for this tray compared with an ordinary tray is only half as great. We've divided it in half. We went to your stand, to your booth recently, and we saw there were other trays which have innovative characteristics. Well, at CGL PACK, we innovate, and each time we try to come up with something which is going to be good for the environment to reduce the environmental footprint. Now, regarding the sealing, you said it's excellent sealing. Is it the same in difficult packing conditions? Well, with the film above that, the problem is often inside you have fatty, greasy products which prevent a perfect seal. With our clear seal material, we're able to do that even in difficult sealing conditions. Now, we see there are other trays, if you'd like to describe them as well. We've prepared trays based on card and plastic, paper, and 70% of paper or cardboard. Around it there is a ring injected in plastic, and you can use it in an ordinary oven or in a microwave oven. Now, what about trays? Are they going to be sorted and reused in the same way as water bottles? Yes, this is being done now. Everything you dispose of in the yellow bins in France will be recycled, but you can't recycle all types of plastic. In future, you'll be able to dispose of the entire tray and the film in the entire tray in the recycle bin. Okay, it's a wonderful show and a wonderful award. Okay, Gary, it was harder for you to bring your innovation here because, in fact, it's a forklift truck which is polyvalent. Could you explain it? Well, it can be used in a standard manner. If you do it going forward, you can also have you can also use it in a side manner, laterally, and you can also use it in narrow aisles in order to increase storage capacity by some 30 to 40%. There you received the award in the film, and I went to your booth, and it looks like a child's game. There's a virtual reality system. With a joystick, you have all the forklift trucks controls in a single hand, and it saves space. Well, as I explained, you'll increase storage capacity by 30 to 40% versus a standard forklift. And look at a logistics company. That's 30 to 40% more storage space, 30 to 40% more top line. Now, imagine we saw this in the booth. Would this operate outside as well? Well, no problem at all. These are ordinary pneumatic tires, not polyurethane like many internal or inside forklift trucks. Now, what about flows? Is this going to be in-house increasingly? Yes. Well, it can be used outside. This means that you can go out and unload a truck outside, and you can bring it directly into the place you're going to be storing it. Okay, I would like to thank both of you, and we've seen tremendous innovations here at ALL4PACK, and we'll be back tomorrow for further innovations with our latest Trends 10-minute show.